In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tasks on Todoist. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply need to delegate some tasks, sharing them is a breeze once you get the hang of it. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Todoist application, either on your computer or mobile device. Once you're in, look for the search bar, typically found at the top of your screen. Click on it to start your search for the task you want to share. Taking the time to locate the correct task is essential for efficient task management, so ensure you pick the right one. Once you've found the task, head over to your inbox. Your inbox in Todoist functions as a repository for all your tasks, so it can help you keep things organized. Scan through your list and click on the task you intend to share. It's important to remember that organizing your tasks here will make the sharing process smoother and more intuitive. Now, on to the next step. Locate and click on the three dots typically situated at the upper right corner of the task window. It might look like a little menu icon or options list. Once you click this, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Copy Link to Task. This link is your direct gateway to sharing the task seamlessly with others. Just copy this link and share it via your preferred communication tool, be it email or a chat app. This is perhaps one of the most efficient ways to ensure that everyone involved is on the same page. Todoist also allows you to share entire projects, not just individual tasks. For this, exit out of your current view and head over to My Projects. From there, choose the specific project you want to share. Click on the project's name to open it. Inside the project, look towards the top left corner for the Share button. By clicking on it, you open a window where you can input the email address or name of the people you want to invite to the project. Remember, only grant access to individuals you are comfortable collaborating with, since they'll gain visibility into all tasks within the project. Additionally, you can opt to copy the project link for easy distribution. This is especially helpful if you're communicating with a larger team or through a shared platform. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sharing tasks and projects on Todoist. By adopting these steps, you're not only maximizing the use of this versatile tool, but also empowering your team through seamless collaboration. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And until next time, stay organized.